Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change tempo in your project. So first method is that you find here transport bar. Usually is at the bottom right here. You will see it's on my uh, Reaper. So right here I can change it, and I can change this number. So BPM I can change to whatever I like, but I will leave it 120. Now the second method is if you want the song to speed up or slow down at a certain point. Alright, so move the cursor to where you want the change to happen. Okay, then press Shift and C to open the Insert Tempo Signature marker. And right here you can now type in the new BPM and click OK. A marker will appear in the timeline, so let's go and I will type in 180. Okay, and as you can see, my timeline moved. You can drag these markers left or right in the ruler to adjust the timing. To make the tempo slide smoothly from one speed to another, we can press Alt and T, just like that. This will show the master track and its tempo uh, envelope. So now we can press Shift and click on the envelope line to create 2 points. As you can see, one point is right here and the second one is right over here. Just like that. All right. Now the first point, so we will right click on the first point and set shape to linear. So we have square, linear, and drag the second point up or down. As you can see what's happening, the line will now slant, creating a gradual speed changes. And yeah, this is basically how you can change tempo in your project. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next